guys, have you ever wondered how Mexican restaurants make that fantastic rice? Well, I'm about to show you. If we haven't met, my name is Moggy and this is Half-Acre Harvest, where I homemake, homeschool, and homestead our half-acre property with a 9 to 5, and I'm here to show you how to do the same.
Okay, so we are starting with a pot with a nice tight fitting lid. If you have to choose between a taller pot or a wider pot, choose wider. To my pot, over medium heat, I am adding 3 tablespoons of butter. Once that has melted, I will add 2 cups of white rice. I'm going to stir that, again, we're over medium heat, for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's a nice golden brown. To my nice browned rice, I'm going to add a heaping tablespoon of Knorr brand caldo de tomate. I do prefer Knorr brand specifically. And to this, I will add 4 cups of really hot water. Watch out for the burst of steam. We'll give this a quick stir to make sure it's all incorporated and get any rice off the walls of my pan. And then I'm going to put the lid on, reduce the heat to low, and leave it for about 20 minutes. During this time, there is no peeking and there is no stirring. If you stir your rice, it will get sticky. Now, after 20 minutes, you can take off the lid and now you can fluff up your rice. And what you've got is a nice fluffy Mexican restaurant style rice that pairs really well with your tacos or your enchiladas. If you like this recipe, check out my recipe for cabbage salsa down below. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.